Folks, I want to talk about this new jacket I got from Carhartt right here. Let me just back off so you can see it here. This is from their flame resistant line of clothing, and this is just a badass jacket. You know, sometimes when you order things online, you're not really sure what you're getting. And I'm going to tell you right here, this thing has turned out to be exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for, I don't buy cheap these days. I only buy quality. And obviously, Carhartt is a quality brand. And I think one of the few brands that has not um, lowered its standards to make an extra buck. But this particular jacket was made in Mexico. And the other gear that I bought, there was only one piece of gear that was made in China. Okay, the gear was made either in Mexico, Guatemala, I think Honduras, places other than China. And anyhow, this is from the flame resistant line, and I'll put the exact nomenclature. But this thing right here, it's got flame resistant properties, which you can read the article that I just wrote about how to survive a plane crash. And I just want to get serious about my travel gear. I've been wearing tank tops and shorts and bullshit for years while I travel around. And I said, you know what? Travel is my job. And so I want some no shit, hard charging travel gear. And this was my jacket I picked for the flame resistant properties, and because the aesthetics of it, it almost looks like, sort of like a motorcycle jacket. It doesn't look like a work jacket. This thing's got fashion to it and function. And I'm holding the camera obviously with one hand. Once I hit $1 million a month, I'll hire a film crew. But right now look, this has got a zipper right here. And I'm gonna tell you why I went with. There's several reasons why I went with this, but this zipper right here with this chest pocket, okay. It's sturdy. It's got a heavy duty zipper. That's where my passport and my critical items are going when I'm going to and fro the airport, when I'm on transit. I carry my Indiana gear bag. But folks, the way to not get pickpocketed is to put your items, secure your items somewhere where you can see the people coming and you can feel them coming. Okay, and right here in front of you is a perfect place to put it. You put shit down in cargo, and if you have cargo pockets, that's the worst thing. These pants don't have it, but I see these folks around here with cargo pockets, and they get pickpocketed constantly because you can't see and you can't feel, and usually they got two buttons. But this right here is going to be the vault where I put my sensitive gear. And if you come here to these pockets here, they're also zippered. These are heavy duty zippers right here. Okay, so you've got two pockets on either side, and then like a place for a couple pins right here. And when you're traveling international, you've always got to have a pin. You're always filling out custom shit, arrival forms. Okay, so you got a good place for a pin. And then open this guy up here. We've got a pocket right here. Now that's just Velcro. That's just a Velcro thing. It's not a zippered. And then here's your label with the flame resistant. And this lining right here, I like this lining. It's durable but soft. And then we've also got another pocket here, same thing. And you've got the labels. For anybody who wants to stop it and read the labels, you should be able to read that because I think I'm shooting 60 frames. Here's some more information. And that's the jacket, folks. That's the aesthetics of the front of it. Let me turn this guy around. Now, just take a look at the stitching. This is triple stitching. Okay, it looks good. It's sturdy. It's functional. And then down here on the sleeves, we've got this Velcro to cinch it down. In the back, now this is the full swing feature, I guess. You've got a lot of room here if you're working in this guy. And this kind of goes down like right there. And I would almost say, okay, is that enough room for a water bottle? I think so, maybe. But you know what this guy's going to use that for? That is the perfect depth for a beer. I'm going to put a can of beer in there, and then I'll just show you the back of it. Now the back does come down a little bit lower. Okay, now that's for work purposes, but if you're a traveler, not that I recommend you put anything, I recommend you don't put anything in your back pockets, but that comes down a little bit lower and will cover your back pockets if you're looking at it from a pickpocket point of view. But obviously that's to keep the rain, keep the elements, but it is just a little bit lower. And then on this side too, you get the same thing. You got this little, I don't think it's designed for a pouch. I mean, I'm not sure what the designer was thinking, but I think it's just to give you extra room for flexibility. But I'm a heavy beer drinker, and so that is going to have a beer in it, and the other side is going to have a beer. And again, this is the sleeve. Now let me talk about this material. Now this material is a canvas, but I think it has like a 10%, some type of, like if you look real close at it, some of the fibers almost look like it's got a hint of ripstop, but it doesn't. But it does, but it don't. Okay, folks, this shit is durable as hell. It looks good. And what I've noticed is when I wash this thing, okay, it is highly water repellent. When I put this thing in the washing machine, okay, you can see the water just bead up. So is it a Gore-Tex material? No. You know, and eventually it will get wet, but the water beads up on this thing, and I mean, it's going to serve as a rain jacket. And then when I hang it out to dry, I mean, this thing is dry in about, I mean, I'm in Southeast Asia, but I would say it's dry in 10 minutes. The only thing that's not dry in 5 to 10 minutes is the lining. But I'm going to tell you right now, this damn Carhartt jacket is going to last me for a long time, and I'm going to put it through hell. And it's potentially, this jacket is going to last longer than me. And this is another piece of gear that'll get handed down to some lucky world traveler that'll be able to use it as well. Okay. So there it is, folks. There it is. This is a jacket by Carhartt, and from their flame resistant line. So it's built for work. Absolutely built for work, but I want you to take a look at it. That looks more like a cool, trendy, badass motorcycle jacket. And that's another reason I bought it, so I can have some type of protection when I'm going on long distance trips on my motorbike here in Southeast Asia. And instead of wearing a damn tank top, you know, I've got some real protection. This is going to protect me similar to a thick leather motorcycle jacket. But tell me if this looks like a work jacket. No. To me it does not. This looks like something. This is fashionable. And I really don't know why Carhartt doesn't focus on travel, getting the travel niche. You know, the world travelers, the backpackers, all this stuff. You want some good quality gear where you've only got to pack, you know, a couple of t-shirts that are going to last. You know, I mean, pack one jacket for multiple purposes. I mean, this thing's going to keep me warm. on the plane. It's going to protect me while I'm on the motorbike. And it's going to keep the rain off my head. And oh, by the way, this damn thing looks good too. It's going to help improve my travel photos. Alright folks, that's just a look around this guy. And I'll put the link down in the description. But I just want to send a shout out to Carhartt and whoever designed this, the design team. I'm sure it's a team. Whoever the design team is on this particular jacket, you guys hit a home run. You hit a home run all the way around based on the fashion, the function, the durability, and the price point. Carhartt gear is not Walmart shit. All right, this is quality material, quality design, and Carhartt's my new brand. I used to wear Carhartt back in the day. When I started traveling, I stumbled on Columbia. I started wearing that for many years, but Columbia has recently, in the past few years, their quality just went to shit. They've disappointed me, and I said, you know what? I travel full time. That's what I do, and I want some damn real quality, durable gear. And I'm gonna tell you, if I'm ever in an aircraft crash or a fire, this thing's gonna help me survive. And you can laugh, think I'm crazy. I don't give a shit. But if you fly as much as I do, in some of the airlines and airplanes that I've been on, trust me, you think about shit like this seriously. So, anyhow, folks, that right there, I highly recommend this. And I'm wearing a medium. Fits perfect for me. 5'5" on a good day, weigh 145 pounds. If you're slender, well, I'll just say that. Yeah, you can watch my videos. I'm 5'5", 145. I wear the medium, and this thing seems, after I wash it, it seems to draw up just a little bit. I mean, maybe it's just my imagination when I pull it out. But I wear a medium, and this thing fits like a glove. Alright, I'll stop talking about it. But if you're looking for a badass jacket, this is it right here. And once I get going and this thing start traveling, I'm gonna show you my beers riding in there. That's perfect for me. Alright, there's a look inside. She got the lining all the way to the end. Okay folks, well, if you're looking for a jacket, you're looking for a Carhartt jacket, excuse my language, I'm trying to clean up the cursing. If you're looking for a badass jacket, I recommend this one by Carhartt. Links down in the description. And I tell you, so far so good. I'll do a review in a year, 6 months, a year, thrashing this thing, see how it's holding up. But I promise you, that thing it's on time. Alright folks, thanks for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. And I just, food, beer, and visas. World traveler and a heavy beer drinker, and I love to cook and I love to barbecue. Nothing scripted, and nothing's really professionally produced. I shoot most of my stuff on my iPhone. So there you go. That thing's almost dry. A little bit longer. It's not real sunny out today. But I don't know, I can't say enough good things about this, and matter of fact, all the gear that I just ordered from Carhartt. Alright folks, have a great day wherever you're at in the world. See you in the next video.